How to add a table in Microsoft PowerPoint and presentation. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser or you can also use Microsoft PowerPoint. I am using the online version. So first open a presentation and then after doing that, what you will have to do is go to insert from here and then drag down the button and then go to table. Drag down the table button. Here you will see the size of the table and how many rows and column you want. Just like this, your table will be created. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next